still transferring, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna put another coconut tree around in this vicinity. Yeah, step back a little bit off the coast, so when it comes up, we have a coconut palm tree. This little one right here. Just decorating the place for now. Again, I'm going a little bit deeper because they already developed. Trying to gain some kind of stability. What I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen, I'm planting for the future. And that's the Crocus Bag Farmer, real is real. Farmers don't plant for themselves, they plant for the future generation. And that's what we're lacking in this world. We don't plant for the future. So, if no one cut this tree down, someone will come and drink a coconut water, enjoy the beauty of a coconut tree. Remember, I'm the Crocus Bag Farmer. Yes, your favorite Rasta man, the farmer. I farm everywhere I go. Real is real as you can feel. Remember to hit the red subscribe button, leave your comment. More life, more joy, and more healthy eating and healthy living. Hear the birds singing. Come here. She keep on coming back. This is my neighbor's cat, and she keep on coming back. So if you love the kitty cat, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Bless up yourself. All right, that's transplanting a coconut tree. Yes, I'm here in South Florida. Bless up yourself. I farm everywhere I go. You should know. It's the Crocus Bag Farmer. Bless.
Well, you know it's all about people. Somewhere on the top of the flock, I'm going to use that hammer and knock on the head front. Left the flock alone. I'm not going to beat in the head with the hammer, you hear me? Serious. Job of the top. Leave and fight drugs. Yo, big and serious. Hey! Clean the flock alone. I tell you, I'm going to please and actually one more time. I'm going to start beating in the hammer. Make sure, I tell you now. Wow, chow. Yo. Ooh. Yeah. Hey, flaka taker. You take the flaka now with a new and a hand, yo. Now look what you gone to. So much to accomplish and you had a perfect chance, so instead look what you gone to. Now you're shitting on yourself. All the life was you attack, so now look what you gone to. All the woman I used to love you so much, say she no want you. When she see what you gone to, youth. Leave the flaka alone, I beg you please. Leave the flaka alone. Boy, leave the flaka alone. Or you gonna end up in the center alone. I beg you please. Leave the flaka alone. Boy, leave the flaka alone. Yo, leave the flaka alone. Cause it happened in the skull and bone. Hey, juvenile, I'm moving like a stray dog. You're not too far away from the graveyard. Juvenile, calm yourself and stop play hard. Have mercy on their soul, oh yes I pray Lord. Better you smoke your weed and remain calm. Make this weed keep your brain warm. Oh, leave the black and